Hello. So here we are with the class 9th chapter, that is size and location. Children, now it is time to gear up for your exams. So here we are with the chapter and explanation which is going to help you in a proper revision. So let's talk about the location. First topic, that is location. What you need to remember here is that the India lies entirely in northern hemisphere. The mainland extends between the latitude, that is 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degrees 6 minutes north. It also lies between the longitudes, that is 68 degrees 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east. To remember further, you can take this as a third point, that the Tropic of Cancer divides the country into almost two equal parts, to the southeast and to the southwest of the mainland. So this part can be further bifurcated into points like the southeast. Towards the southeast lies the Andaman Nicobar Islands, and towards the southwest lies the Lakshadweep Island in Arabian Sea. So mention the seas when you are mentioning the island groups. So here perfectly 5 points can be constructed. Now talking about the landmass of India or the size of India, let's talk about that. So first point here is the landmass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. This becomes your first point, as you can see. Further, you can see this is your second point, that the total area which is covered by India in the world map is 2.4%. And then talking further about that India is the seventh largest country of the world. Talking about next point, you can take as India has a land boundary of 15,200 kilometer, and the total length of the coastline of the mainland, including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep, is 7516.6 kilometer. So two topics, that is describe the location of India and describe the size of India, can be perfectly done with the help of, that is, the 5 points exact. Now coming to the next, it says that India is bounded by the Yangfold Mountains in the northwest. Children, remember which mountain we are talking about? It is the Himalayas. The Himalayas have been considered as Yangfold Mountains. The reason is why they are called young. The reason here is that they are of recent formation. And why they are being considered as fold? Because they have been formed by the colliding, crumbling, and rising of two tectonic plates. So remember this thing. Now, next thing to remember, you have that south of the 22 degree north latitude, it begins to taper. Now, remember what is the meaning of taper here? That from 22 degree north latitude, the shape of the peninsular India is actually narrowing down towards the Indian Ocean. So that is why we call this, or we say this, that it begins to taper. So because this narrow peninsular India, which is almost penetrating towards the Indian Ocean, divides into Arabian Sea and further towards the Bay of Bengal in the east. So yes, learn better, read the book, and come with the doubts. Comment on the channel, support and subscribe the channel, and we meet again in the next class. Thank you. Thank you so much.